Hello, Jordan here. We are in the demo account here, and I'm going to show you how to create exclusion list for your search campaigns and your display campaigns. There's a few different places to go, but we're going to work through this together, and we're going to see how we do both search campaign exclusion list as well as display. So you're going to be in your main account. You're going to go over to Tools, and we're going to look for Shared Library. From here, we're going to see exclusion list. There's two of them up here. You're going to have this negative keyword list, and you're going to have your placement exclusion list. Let's go in and create a negative keyword list. We're just going to call this general, and we'll just put in something like potatoes. I don't like potatoes. We don't want people searching for potatoes. All right, so let's do that. And once we've done that, we've created our general campaign exclusion. We're going to want to apply this to our campaigns, which we have one here, and you're done. Good. That's it. Let's close out of that. And we're also going to want to do display exclusions. In this exclusion, in this case, what we're going to want to do is knock out all apps. Apps are generally something we want to get rid of. We want to make sure people aren't seeing our ads on apps. It's often low quality, right? Like if you think about your stuff going on to Duolingo, you're not there to go shopping. You're there to do your Duolingo thing, right? So it's an interruption. All right. So very low quality and stuff that we often don't want to find ourselves advertising on. So you come in here, go to exclusion, click on that blue plus button, and then you're going to click enter. I'm going to add in an exclusion. I'm going to use my text expander to help us out here. And we're going to do a quick search, exclude all apps. There we go. That's going to give us our mobile app exclusion here. So once we got that, we're going to click add that. And now we can see all apps have been included. You cannot do this any other way. There, we're going to give that a name, all apps. We're going to save that. And now you can go in here. We're going to do the same thing that we did with the search campaigns. You got to remember to go in here. I don't have any display campaigns right now, but if I did, that would be how I would exclude that. Now, we can also do this kind of stuff on the account level by going to our account setting. Two very similar ways to do this. And we're going to just move a few things around here. We can add in our negative keywords. All right, so it's a good place to do this. So this is going to do this on our account level. So if we have a performance max campaign or demand campaign, this is exactly where you're going to add your negative keyword. When you add it to the keyword list, it's adding it to specific campaign. This is going to be for your entire account. All right, so this is probably a good place to put things like, swear words and if you happen to maybe do an RMT or registered massage therapist, you're probably going to have some exclusions in here for some of the other adult type terms as well. Right. So those are the two places for you to go about in terms of adding in your exclusions and making sure that both your search ads and your display ads are only showing where you want them. Okay, so that's all we got. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the comments below. Take care.